Roadmap to become an IT auditor. Think about this. Every company today runs on technology. From banking systems to online shopping, everything depends on IT systems working securely and correctly. But who makes sure these systems are safe, reliable, and compliant? That's where an IT auditor comes in. An IT auditor is responsible for examining and evaluating an organization's technology systems, processes, and controls. Their goal is simple but critical: to ensure everything is secure, efficient, and follows the right standards. If something goes wrong in a system, data leaks, fraud, or security breaches, it can cost companies millions. And that's why IT auditors are so important. So, how do you become one? It all starts with understanding both worlds, technology and auditing. You need to know how systems work, but also how to evaluate them. Your journey begins with the basics of IT. You should understand how networks operate, how databases store information, and how operating systems function. You don't need to be a hardcore developer, but you must know how technology is structured and how different components interact. Once you have that foundation, the next step is to understand cybersecurity. Because most IT audits focus on security risks. You'll learn about threats, vulnerabilities, access controls, and how systems can be attacked. More importantly, you'll learn how to identify weaknesses before attackers do. As you go deeper, you'll start learning about audit concepts. This is where things become more analytical. You understand how to assess risks, evaluate internal controls, and ensure that systems comply with policies and regulations. It's not just about finding problems, it's about understanding why they exist and how to fix them. You also need to become familiar with standards and frameworks. These are the guidelines companies follow to stay secure and compliant. Frameworks like ISO 27001, NIST, and COBIT help organizations manage risk and protect information. As an IT auditor, you'll use these frameworks to evaluate systems and processes. At this stage, tools will become part of your daily work. You might use software to analyze logs, track vulnerabilities, and review system configurations. But tools are only as effective as the person using them. Your thinking and judgment matter more than the tools themselves. As you gain experience, you'll start performing real audits. This means reviewing systems, checking access controls, analyzing risks, and documenting your findings. You'll also communicate with teams, ask questions, and sometimes challenge decisions. Because your job is not just technical. It's also about trust and accountability. Now, let's talk about certifications. In the world of IT auditing, certifications can make a big difference. Certifications like CISA, CERT, or Certified Information System Security Professional help validate your skills and open doors to better opportunities. They show that you understand both technical and audit perspectives. But no certification can replace real experience. You need to practice. Work on real-world scenarios. Understand how companies operate. Learn how to identify risks in different environments. Because every organization is different. Of course, this journey comes with challenges. Sometimes, you'll deal with complex systems. Sometimes, people may resist audits. And sometimes, finding the root cause of an issue can take time. That's why attention to detail and critical thinking are your biggest strengths. To succeed, you need to think like an IT auditor. Always ask, what could go wrong? Is this system truly secure? Are we following the right processes? Because your role is not just to check systems. It's to protect organizations from unseen risks. Start your journey today and become an IT auditor, ensuring security, compliance, and trust in the digital world. Say next and I'll content.